too. Horses gallop, birds take flight. Learning nature feels just right. The planets spin up in the sky. Mercury, Venus flying by. Earth, Mars, and Jupiter too. Space is amazing, it's so cool. In the garden, flowers grow. With sun and rain, they start to show. Roses, daisies, tulips bloom. Learning makes the world go zoom. Let's explore, the world is wide. Mountains, rivers, side by side. Every day, new things we see.